I'm right now putting in animal company. Look. Chicken wings. I just found this in a random public, so let me fix my camera. Okay. So we're gonna eat all these chickens. I love chickens. They're so yummy. It will take me such a long time. I know you guys can't see, but it's because I'm eating all of these. I'm done. Okay, that was the easiest pie eating contest ever. Okay, how do I make this thing follow me? Hello. So I'm gonna show you some cool items. Just stay there, I'm gonna go get some cool items. So, the first thing, I'm not telling you. Let me get it. Where is it? Okay, here it is. So I got this golden shotgun. It's empty. Woo! That was pretty good. Okay. My friend gave me just one of these, but let's open it. Because I don't need this. It isn't too good, but still. You take what, wait. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit. How do I like make this? It doesn't stay. So I gotta hold it. That's I really don't like this. I don't like holding stuff. Only if I need it. And usually, I never need one of these. But this is what the camera mod is based off. There's a little propeller up here. Screenshot. Can you guys see yourself? That photo was terrible. Okay. That's you guys. So that's for today. Testing that. That's for you. It's cool.